Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you today. It's been a wonderful day. And so before we proceed, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. For today we shall be focusing on a very interesting aspect in chemistry that has to do with matter. As a basic knowledge in chemistry, for those that are into the elementary aspect, it is vital for us to understand matter, as this will guide us through the subject chemistry. First of all, in our elementary classes we are taught that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Most importantly, it is considered in the science subjects, the physics, the chemistry. Now, we cannot discuss chemistry without considering matter. What is chemistry talking about? Chemistry is a branch of science that has to do with matter, its composition, structure, properties, uses and conditions. Now, the key word there is matter. Like I defined earlier, I said matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. A very important word to take note of is the mass. And what is the mass of a substance? The mass of a substance is the amount of material that is present in that substance. Virtually everything in nature is composed of matter. Now, quickly looking at the various states of matter, we have the solids, the liquid, and the gases. And each of these states, they have their various properties. And it's very important for us to take note of these properties. Now, first of all, for a solid has a definite shape and volume. Molecules vibrate about its mean position. That is what we call the vibratory motion. So molecules are vibrating around their mean position. Then we have it says relative high density. The density of a solid is relatively high. That is to say that the mass per unit volume of a solid is relatively high. And then we say a solid is incompressible. These are the properties that makes a solid. Now, looking at the liquid, we say liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. What does it mean? It means that a liquid can only take the shape of its container. So wherever you put in a liquid, that is the shape it will take, whether in a cup or in a bucket. So it has a definite volume but no definite shape. The molecules of a liquid, they vibrate at the same time they rotate. So if you pour a liquid on the floor, it has a tendency to flow. It's one of the properties. Then we say the relative density of a liquid is lower when compared to that of the solid. And then we also say it is incompressible. Now take note, a solid and a liquid is incompressible. Now looking at that of a gas has no definite volume and no definite shape. That is to say that a gas will fill the entire vicinity of which it finds itself. The molecules vibrate, they rotate, and they translate. That is for a gas. You see? A solid does vibrational motion, a liquid does vibrational and rotational, while a gas does vibrational, rotational, and translational. And then we say the relative density of a gas is the lowest in all three states of matter. And then amongst all, a gas is compressible. You can compress a gas. An example is when you have a gas that consists of a liquid, a compressor is used, considering the relationship between the volume to the pressure. So it is only a gas that is compressible amongst the three states of matter. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm sure that this is helpful. In summary, we have looked at the definition briefly of chemistry, the states of matter, and then the properties. I'm sure that this will help our basic and elementary students to understand better what matter is all about. Thank you and see you next time. Bye for now.